new feature that went live in Vira, which is the campaign feature. Now, if you go to the dashboard and when you go and click on the menu, you'll see the campaign option. So earlier we could only see a list of the campaigns that we had run previously. Now we can select any campaign and we can download them. So you can only download one list at one time. So this is how it will be formatted in Excel. So you'll essentially be able to see the campaign name, the template that was used, the contact name, the email ID, phone number, status, if it was read or failed. And if it was failed, then it will also specify the reason and the timestamp as to when the message was sent. And another feature that has went live is the create campaign. So once earlier you could just select a template and select a list and you could simply enroll your contacts. So one would essentially pick a list and select a template that they would run that list with and enroll. But now you also have an option of scheduling the campaign. Another thing that you could now do is, for example, you now don't want to create a new campaign altogether, but you want to create a retargeting campaign. So another campaign that is basically a follow-up of some sort of the previously run campaigns. So for example, you once ran a campaign, let's say this campaign. Now you want to send these people another template message. So for example, people who have read messages from the previously ran campaign, you want these people who have been enrolled here, who have been sent the message, to receive another message. So you can name those people and you can create a list from here which will automatically get saved on HubSpot, or you can alternatively also run that campaign from here itself. So people who have read, you give a name, it will get saved as a list on HubSpot. Then you select a template and you can enroll, or you can alternatively schedule it.